scotch bonnet, jalapeno, Thai chili, or any local spicy varieties you have on hand. Remove the tops and chop them up like this. Then process until you reach the texture like this. Add a teaspoon of salt and cover with cling wrap and leave on the counter at room temperature for 2 days. Now, add a cup of white vinegar and cover again. Wait another full week to fully ferment. Finally, you can see the color has changed a bit, which means it's fermented and ready to go. Add a cup of water and puree until smooth, just like this. Then transfer to a clean bottle and you're done. Enjoy!